Power distribution systems overview. Single-phase 2 wire system. Three-phase 4 wire system. Single-phase 2 wire system. Wires, 1 phase, live, hot, plus, 1 neutral. Voltage, typical, 220, 240 V, between phase and neutral. Frequency, 50 Hz, common in many countries. Applications, homes, small offices, light loads. Three-phase 4-wire system. Wires, 3 phases, RYB, plus 1 neutral. Voltage, line to neutral, 230 voltage, line to line, 400 V. Frequency, 50 Hz, common in many countries. Applications, industries, commercial buildings, heavy loads. Phase and neutral explained. Phase, live hot, carries current from the power source, alternates in polarity and voltage. Neutral, returns current back to the source. Maintain 0V potential, ideally, grounded at the distribution point. How to check phase and neutral. Tools needed. Multimeter or line tester. Steps. 1. Multimeter method. Place 1 probe on the wire, the other on neutral, earth. Phase to neutral, 220. Neutral to earth, but 0.5 V. 2. Line tester method. Lamp lights brightly, phase. Lamp doesn't light or very dim for neutral. Frequency and voltage. Frequency, standard frequency, 50 Hz, cycles per second. Voltage, AC. Single phase, 220, 240 volt, line to neutral. 3 phase, 230 volt, line to neutral. 400 volt, line to line. Fault tracing techniques. 1. Visual inspection. Check for burned wires, loose terminals, unusual smells. 2. Continuity test. Use multimeter to ensure wires are not broken. 3. Voltage test check. Voltage across each wire pair, phase neutral, phase earth. 4. Insulation test. Use a megger for checking insulation resistance. 5. Load test. Disconnect all appliances and reconnect one by one to isolate faulty equipment.